Over here on Kevin's 1960 Oldsmobile 98. It's a good looking car. Anyways, we've had a few leaks up here at the front, and this car did sit in a museum for about 30 years before Kevin acquired it. We actually had to go hunting for a battery for it because someone put a battery for a Civic in here, so it didn't last too long. Went hunting, found a battery that fits. Had to go looking in the book. So anyway, first order of business, gotta find the leak. All right. So first things first, note the staining here on the radiator. So I want to pressure test this. We for sure have a leak here at the fuel pump. Kevin actually took it somewhere else and they rebuilt it because it was leaking fuel, because I remember seeing the car once at Cars and Coffee, talking to him about it. They resolved the fuel leak, but now it's leaking oil from around the fuel pump. So we need to find that leak. Also, there's another leak underneath, as you can see. Now, it appears to be ATF, but I'm assuming that's coming from the power steering box, because we are wet right under the box, and the trans is way back there. How's the light not coming? Alright, so first things first, looking into the radiator. It's not horribly dirty. It's 3-row. But it appears to have been leaking. It's low on water. So we're gonna pressure test this. All right, so we filled the system with water and we are looking for leaks. We're currently at 15 PSI. System is way low. Ooh, we're leaking. We're leaking. Let's see if we can tighten up that hose or if it's a crack. All right, so we're leaking here. We're leaking down there. Man. Gonna see if we can tighten those babies up. Well, that's definitely a telltale.